Hello everyone, welcome back to Young Tutor. Today we'll be continuing our topics for the young students. Last class we did about number systems, prime numbers, even numbers, and odd numbers. Today we will be doing a little bigger or a little wider branch of math, which is place value. Place value is a very big part of math, as it goes on infinitely. The place value can be written for a 3-digit number as in this format. O being ones digit or ones place, T being tens place, and H being hundreds. Each of these symbolize a certain location in a 3-digit number. This is just an example for a 3-digit number. It goes on forever. The larger the number, the more the number of digits in a number, the more the places it has. Let's take an example for a 3-digit number as 850. Then the H would be 800. T would be 5 and O would be 0. Another way to write this would be 8 could be 800 plus 5 as 100 is equal to 100. Tens digit is 10 and one digit is 1. Digit is 1 as the name suggests. So it will be 800 plus all we have to do is multiply 5 with 100, with 10 in this situation. Therefore it will be plus 50, and 0 into 1 is 0. So all your answer you will get, the answer you get is 850. Now you can see that we can also, there's nothing but just breaking up one big number into easier format to understand the number itself. Another topic that we would be taking up today would be face value. It's a very simple topic, but it's completely different from place value. It might sound similar, but it's not. Face value, let's take the same number as we took earlier, which was 850. Face value is nothing but the value of one number. This is not the exact and actual value as that of place value. In place value, this number would be equal to 800. But in face value, this number is equal to 8 itself. Now you can see the difference in face value is that no matter how big the number is, the digit of the number given will remain the same, and there won't be any more changes. In place value, you can see that 8 is turning into 800 because the place or the location it is placed in the number is in the hundreds digit place. Therefore it is in the location and therefore it's multiplied by 100 to give 800. That is 8's place value in this number. But 8's face value, as 8 is the only digit in that location, it is equal to 8 only. Now we've all understood on how what is 8's face value, but some of you might have the doubt on what could 5 and 0's face value be. It is the same, which would be 5 and 0. 5 and 0, because even though in place value the 5's place value is in 10's location, therefore we have to multiply by 10. But in face value situation, you do not need to multiply the number by 10 or just any number in general or any power of 10 in general, but instead you can just bring the same number to the location. This to understand more in depth of place value and face value, and to not get confused, let's take two more examples. First, let's take a number for example 763. this we can to write in place value. This number to write in place value, we would write it as we can write 763's place value and face value. First, let's start with place value. 7's place value would be 700 because it's in the hundreds digit, therefore we have to multiply by 100. And then we are adding, we are nothing but adding the digits or separating the digits, therefore we are putting a plus sign. Then it's 60 as we'd say, so it will be 60 here plus 3. This is the place value of 700, being hundreds plus tens digit plus ones digit in this situation. We also call this situation as the expanded form of a number, which we also like learn in lower grades for the expansion of 2-digit numbers, but here we are expanding 3-digit numbers. Place value can be the same. Face value. Face value of 763 is not the addition or the separation of a digit, but instead the digit itself. So 7's face value can be written as 7, 6's face value can be written as 6, and 3's face value can be written as 3. So the whole number would be 763 itself. So the face value of 763 is 763 as the number doesn't change. Another example that we take will be 958. So 958 in place value, as we've learned. Try this at your pause the video and try this on your own. The number okay. Alright, if you have solved it, if you cannot get it, then I'll show you the answer, but if you've solved it, then check your answer now. So the place value would be written as 900 plus 50 plus 8. You can also write this in the HTO form by writing it as HTO by doing this. It's just division, dividing the columns. 109, 9 hundreds, 5 tens, and the like 1 eighths, which would be 8 itself. So you can use this tabular form to make this situation. Now face value of a number, we can for 958 the face value you can go ahead and try it on your own. If you've already done it, then come here, check your answer. Face value of 958 is 958, as there won't be any addition or subtraction or multiplication etc. that takes place with the number. It's nothing but the exact replica or copy of that number. Okay, so thank you for watching till now. Now, just before you leave, let's understand what would be today's homework. Today's homework for you people, for you guys, will be two numbers. You have to figure out the place value of both the numbers and their face value. Comment your answers down below. The first number for you guys will be 421. You have to figure out its place value and the face value. The second number for you guys to figure out the place value and the face value will be 542. Both numbers are very easy, they're not too difficult to solve. I've given you an easier one so that you'll understand the topic better. Thank you for watching till now. Hope you learned something new, and as always, like, share and subscribe this video. Subscribe to this channel if you really liked my content and what I teach. Thank you.